In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Alexa app with the Notion app. Integrating these two powerful tools can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow, so follow along and we'll get you all set up. First things first, we'll want to start by deciding which Notion page you want to integrate with Alexa. Open your Notion app, whether that's on your desktop or mobile device, and navigate through your workspace to the specific page you're intending to connect. Choosing the right page is essential because it acts as the bridge between Alexa and all the information, tasks, or notes you're keen on managing. If you're new to Notion, remember that it's highly customizable, allowing you to create anything from simple to-do lists to complex databases. So take a moment to make sure your page is properly set up to meet your needs. Once you've landed on the right page within Notion, the next step is to grab the Alexa link you have prepared. This link is crucial because it essentially acts as the key that lets Alexa access and interact with your Notion workspace. Make sure the link is correct and up to date to avoid any connection issues later on. If you're unsure where to find or generate this link, consult the guidelines on your Alexa app or any documentation that came with your device. Copy this link to your clipboard, making sure you've captured the entire address with no missing parts, as even a small error can break the connection. Now, with your link ready, return to your selected Notion page. This is the point where we'll paste the link into the page. Simply click where you'd like the connection to be established. If your page is particularly busy, consider choosing a spot that's easy to find and access later. Press paste, and the link should now appear on your Notion page. This step may sound simple, but it's pivotal as it establishes the pathway for Alexa to communicate with Notion. After pasting the link, it might be a good idea to test it by clicking on it to ensure it directs you to the correct destination. If everything looks good, then you have successfully linked your Notion page with your Alexa app. And there you have it, a straightforward connection between Alexa and Notion that can significantly enhance how you manage daily tasks, reminders, and notes. While this guide covered the basics, remember that both apps offer a range of additional features and customizations. So don't hesitate to explore further to make the most out of your new integration. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed guidance, both Notion and Amazon provide comprehensive support resources. Now go ahead and enjoy the seamless flow of information between Alexa and Notion, and watch your productivity soar.